This is a CountryBoyModz production.
All right, what's going on, everybody? How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good. Today we got another one. Today I have finally decided to go ahead and paint this diffuser black to complete the black look on the Altima. As you can see, we got that. But I decided to go ahead and paint that black to match with everything else. It's gonna be a glossy black. So yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so here I'm using markup on my iPhone. Just go to it by going to your picture, hit edit, top right corner. But yeah, I'm just painting the diffuser part black. Just see how it looks before I actually do it. I do this for everything. This I did my blackout project, but this is what it looked like, and we're gonna get to painting. All right, here I'm just taking off the tabs slowly. Be very careful with these tabs. I will have a how-to video on how to do this coming up, so stay tuned for that. And here I'm just gonna wet sand the back of the diffuser. Just using the sanding sponge from Dollar Tree, just a dollar. Put some water on it, get the sand. Got everything wet sanded down. As you can see, dried up. This heat ain't no joke today. It's making my phone go hot, so if the video choppy, that's why. So let's get ready to paint this bad boy. So the products I'm gonna be using: Rust-Oleum high gloss paint, black gloss paint, clear coat, and the automotive primer. Same thing that I always use, 3 coats of each. All right, so pretty much what I'm gonna be doing, just spraying 3 coats of each paint. So I'm starting out with the primer, and then once I'm done with the primer, during the 3 coats, I let it dry at least 15 minutes in between each coat. Gave it good coverage best I can. Well, I was running out of paint, and I got to the last third final coat, and it worked out. As far as the primer part, it actually worked out. And the next step, I came with the black paint, which I had at least half a can for doing this for each paint. So it actually worked out in the end. The most difficult parts was the part getting between the fans. I didn't want to take the fans off again because, I already got them attached real good, and there was no way they was coming off. So I skipped that portion. All right, we got it painted. Yeah, it got a little flaws or whatever, but it is okay. Got the whole diffuser painted. You just gotta add the clear coat. As you see, the wind was my biggest enemy again. As you can see, you see the flaws. It's not perfect. I don't want it to be perfect. So, from there, as you can see in the back, start running out of paint. But down here in this bottom, I don't think I wet sanded enough, but it's okay because it's up on the car. Nobody really gonna see that part. But the main portion that needed to look good was from right here, coming all the way across right there. But this part is gonna be under the car, so we're not worried about that. So I didn't pay too much attention to that area. Like I said, the wind been blowing trash. One of these days, Lord willing life, down the road, I'm gonna have me a booth. I can just go in, prep, paint, do everything. But that's it so far. Put this clear coat on, and we're gonna go from there. Got all down here. Get it up a little closer. You're gonna see a lot of orange peels, so get used to that. You gotta start somewhere. I ain't the best painter, ain't none of that, but like I said, you see the orange peel at the top? That's gonna be on the bottom of the car. That's gonna take most of the damage. But most of the main portion is right there. That's the bottom. That's what I want. And let it bake in the sun for a little bit, dry up, and once it's done, we're gonna put it on the car. All right, so I'm just putting the diffuser back on now. I painted everything black. I got the lights back in. Just putting everything back together like it was when I first took it off. But overall, I really like the way it came out. All right, y'all, we got the diffuser back on, and I am quite impressed. I am quite impressed with this. I do need to wash my car, but man, that looks great. I'll give you an up close. Like I said, you're gonna see orange peel, but man, that looks amazing. Overall, that looks good. I didn't think it was gonna look that good, but y'all, a couple people recommended it, saying, hey, you need to paint it black now. So I gotta go back in my comments. I can't remember who it was or whatever, but once I go back in comments, find out who it is, you was right. Should have painted it black in the beginning. That looks clean. That's wild. Like, I got a little spot, couple spots, but I'm not fully worried about that. It's too darn hot out here. So we're gonna buckle all this back together, make sure everything's secured, and we're gonna go from there. Appreciate y'all for watching. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Did you like it before? Or do you like it with the black? I think the black goes hard. I think the black goes hard with it. Kind of complete the look instead of like the honeycomb part, the fake honeycomb part being grayish looking. Went ahead and painted that black also. So
This is
let me know what y'all think.
CountryBoyModz production.
Y'all take care. Peace out. See you on another one.